Lolly Publishing, where we publish kids' books with heart. If you're an author or an illustrator, we want you to have the most success possible in selling and marketing your new book. Today in our book marketing series on how to use marketing tools, we'll be going over how to utilize a Facebook group. Facebook groups are online communities where people come together around their common interests, such as parenting groups, groups centered around books and finding the best things to read, or even online yard sales. You can locate groups by clicking on the Groups tab and by typing in a specific group name or a type of group you'd like to join. Each group will list a description of what the group is about, whether it's public or private, how many group members there are, and how often they post. Facebook groups are a great way to connect with other authors and illustrators, garner support, and receive ideas and help. You can also connect with potential readers who would love to read your latest book. An example of this would be to join a local group of parents, or a group about educational resources for kids, or even a group on children's activities. You can make posts in these groups about your new book, invite others to your book launch party, let them know when you're doing local readings at schools or libraries, or even the events you'll be attending for your book signings. You can also join groups specifically for authors and illustrators as a safe place to bounce ideas and connect with other like-minded people. Thanks for learning about Facebook groups with us. To learn more about how to use Facebook and use it to your advantage in promoting your new book, watch for our next video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you're not part of our Lolly Publishing family, but would like to be, click on the link in the description to submit your book idea or artwork. Thanks for watching and congratulations on your new book.